So you had all of these people sitting in these different places, no protection whatsoever, and these animals come in and start shooting up. There was nothing anybody can do. I know one thing, in this room, it's a whole different story, right? You know, I take a lot of heat where I say guns, you gotta have them. I'm a big, big, big Second Amendment person. Big. Big. And I take heat from some people, and I tell them, and last night I said, you know, if 20 of those people, you don't need more, but could have been more, could have been all of them, but if 20 of those people that were shot viciously, and if you heard the stories, come on over, boom. Come on over, boom. Come here, boom. One after another, hundreds of people, plenty of.
In a matter of seconds, a country music festival turned tragic, a storm of gunfire raining down upon an innocent crowd.
He was shooting everybody, and there was dead people everywhere, and I don't even know what was happening.
They quickly realized what was happening.
We have an active shooter. We have an active shooter inside the fairground.
Come on over. Boom.
Gunfire erupted this afternoon.
Just as the school day was ending, the shooting started. This
coming out to the east side with the category and ambulance re-identified critical category.
Come on over. Boom.
the site of what's become an all-too-familiar panic for students fleeing hands raised in single file, only matched by the images of armed tactical police racing into the building looking for the gunman. From the air, emergency